Hello everyone. Are you interested in selling your stuff online? Facebook Marketplace is a great place to start. In this quick video, we will show you how to get set up and start selling in no time, from finding the right category to creating a catchy listing. We've got you covered, so let's just get started right away. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Of course, it could be like Google Chrome, Opera, Brave like me, Firefox, or any other browser. Once you open this browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type facebook.com and hit the enter button. That will take you to their main page directly. Of course, if you have an account, make sure to go right here into this option and you'll be able to type your email address or phone number, then your password, then click at login. If you don't have an account, make sure to click at create an account. Or if you just forgot your password, make sure to click at this forgotten password so you can get your password back and connect to your account. As we said, if you don't have an account, click at create a new account and this pop-out will appear to you. Here, simply you'll have to enter your first name, surname, mobile or number or email address, a new password, dates of birth, then gender, then sign up. So let's just fill this together. As an example, let's just fill this and let's just fill this like this at gmail.com, and let's just re-enter the email again because they ask us to, gmail.com, and let's just now enter a password. Let's say, an example, it's gonna be something like this, and now let's just do a date of birth, of course, mail, and sign up. So they're telling me it looks like you're trying to include the title or symbol in your name. Please bear in mind that we require everyone to use the name that they use in everyday life. What their friend call them. So let's just try to enter a real name here. So I don't know, maybe like, let's just here add Alex. And I don't know, maybe something like Omics, and let's try to sign up right now. It seems like it's signing up without any problems now, so let's just wait for it until it's finished. Should not take a lot of time. And here we are. So now we'll have to enter the code from our email. So let me just get that code and I'm coming back. As you can see, they send me the code here. So let me just copy that, come back to Word, or sorry, to Facebook. And okay, I have just to get those numbers. So we come back here, paste those numbers and click at continue. And you have successfully confirmed your account with the email of this email, of course, and you will use the email address to login. Click at OK. And as you can see, your account is being created. So here we are. That's going to be our account on Facebook. So let's just remove this at a moment. So let's get back to the main idea, which is start selling on Marketplace. Once we are here, of course, simply go to this left panel and simply click on Marketplace. Here, as you can see, you'll find a lot of products if you want to start buying, but we would like to start selling, of course. So simply go to this selling option and click on it. As you can see from here, you will have a lot of options. We have this seller dashboard, your listings, announcements, insights, and commerce profile. You can even manage your listings from here. For us, we don't have any listing, so we would like to start with create a new listing. So let's just create a new listing, and as you can see, you'll have to choose the listing type: item for sale, vehicle for sale, or property for sale or rent. So choose whatever item or a listing type you would like to start selling on on Facebook Marketplace. So let's say as an example, for us is going to be item for sale. Once we click on it, this will appear to us. So let's just wait a moment. as you can see. So this is going to be our products or our listing. So here we will have to add photos for it, title, price, category, then a condition, and of course we can even boost our listing after it's published, and I can even hide this from my friends if I don't want to see them, or if I don't want my friends to see it. So here, let's just start by adding some photos. Or for me, I'll just add a photo for a joystick or a PS5 controller. Once I add my photo, as you can see, it will right away appear here in this preview option or section. Of course, you can add multiple photos. You can add from one photo even to 10 photos. You can even upload your photos directly from your phone if you want to. Then I'll have to add a title. Let's say, for example, PS5, PS5, controller, and of course now we'll have to set the price. So you will have to set the price in your local currency. So for me, my local currency is going to be 700 as an example. Now I'll have to put it in a category. The joystick or the controller is actually kind of has options with entertainment. So it's gonna be like video games. So you gotta put this on it. And of course, we can even have it on electronics as an example. So now the condition. So if it's new, you've never opened it, you've never used it, make sure to select new. If you use it, but it's still very good, you can use this option used, but it's like new. Of course, if you use it, but it's not in the perfect conditions, you can use this used, but it's good. And if it's not bad and it's not greatest, you can even use this fair option. So choose whatever suits you. And of course, this condition will set even the price. So if you have like a new item, you can even over or put the price higher. And if you have it's like maybe used it fair, you will have to lower the price a bit so you can sell it so fast. Of course, if you have any more details, you can add it in this description options. Let's say an example, PS5 controller. What we did here, it is used, but not that bad. If you need, as an example, if you need more informations, contact me, and that's going to be our description as an example. Of course, availability, list as a single item. Of course, if you have a lot of items or a stock of this item, you can list it as a stock. And if you want to add some tags, as an example, let's just add PS5 tags, games tags, or something like that. Of course, it's just optional. You can even add this SKU optional. It's only visible to you. And now we'll have to add our location. You'll have here simply add your city. So for me, as an example, I gotta add this. And of course, here you'll have to add the meetup preferences. If you want to public meetup or door pickup or door drop off. So choose whatever suits you. Let's say as an example for me, it's gonna be like a meetup public. And if you want to boost your listing, as we say, we will have to enable this option. Of course, you will have to pay. If you want to hide this from your friends, make sure to enable this option as well. For me now, I don't want to list it or to boost it. So now I'll enable this option and disable this option. Click on next. And here we will be able to publish it. Once we click on publish, we'll have to wait a bit. And of course, Facebook will review it before it's listed. And as you can see, they are telling you if you want to boost it. So for me, I don't want to do that now. Of course, if you want to start selling and you will sell and you would like to sell a lot, you will have to list or to boost your listing. Now, when you click at your listing, as you can see, I find no listing here. That's because they are actually reviewing my listing at the moment. And once it's reviewed, of course, it will not take more than a day. Once it's reviewed, it will be published and you will find this here in Marketplace and selling, and you will find your listing right here, right away. As you can see, it did not even take a lot of time to review it for me. So that's going to be it. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial and goodbye.